Welcome back to Brain Quiz. Great, the lion rose to communicate and mark its territory. Well done, the elephant uses its trunk to trump to communicate with others. Great job, the dolphin whistles and clicks to communicate. You got it. The wolf howls to call its pack and rack. Nice guess. Parrots chirp and can even music. Correct. The cow moves to communicate with its head. Well done. The tiger growls as a warning to other animals. That's right. The dog barks to warn play or greet others. Good job. The owl hoots to mark territory and attack animals. You got it. The frog croaks to attract mates to communicate. Correct. The bear growls to show dominance and warn others. Well done, the eagle scratches to communicate and claim territory. Nice guess, the bee buzzes by beating. Correct, the toad cracks to attract a mate. That's right, the crow calls to signal danger and call its peak. You got it, the snake hises to scare away predaction. Well done, the woodpecker taps on trees to find food. Yes, the squirrel chatters to warn others of danger. Correct, the donkey brays to communicate with other donkeys. You got it, the sheep bleats to communicate with its flock. Correct, the cricket chirps by rubbing its wings together. Nice guess, the pig grunts while foraging and communication. Great job, the turkey gobbles to attract mates. That's right, the horse needs to communicate with its head. You got it, the gorilla grows and grunts to show dominance. Correct, the hawk scratches to warn others and defend its territory. You got it, the leopard growls to warn threats before attacking. Nice guess. The moose honks to communicate during. Yes, it's well. You got it. The chipmunk chatters to warn others in danger. Correct. The sea cat buzzes loudly by vibrating its sounds. Well done. The barn owl scratches to communicate and defend its territory. Correct. The goose honks to communicate with its flock. Well done. The bat uses high-pitched sound for echolocation. You got it. The coit hauls to communicate with its beak. Well done. The hippo grunts to communicate in water. Correct. The pigeon calls to attract mates and communicate. Nice guess. The deer snorts to alert other of danger. Nice guess. The seal barks to communicate with its group. Correct. The monkey chatters loudly to communicate with its troop. Great job. The fox makes eerie wailing sound. Correct. The cat purrs to show comfort and happiness. Correct. The hyena produces a high-pitched, loudly sound. Correct. The goat sometimes screams in a way that sounds. Well done. The penguin honks to communicate with its mate. Correct. The hen clucks to communicate with her chicks. Great job. The duck quacks to communicate with its group. Correct. The peacock has a purring. Nice guess. The camel grunts when irritating or showing. That's right. The sparrow chirps constantly to communicate with it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more GK videos.